Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on how to import video from your DJI Pocket 2 without having to remove your SD card from the camera. Okay, step 1, connect your Pocket 2 using a USB cable, Type-C on one end, that's what will connect to the camera, and Type-A on the other end. Step 2, once you've done that, is you power the camera on and you wait, and it's going to ask you to either cancel or confirm the connection to your computer. And if you press the continue or OK, I'm not sure what it says, but if you press that button on the camera, it will then connect to your computer and you will see it show up as a drive. Select that drive with your Windows Explorer and you drill down to the DCIM, and then there's a folder under that, something media, and that's where your video and pictures are stored. And you select all of those and then drop them into a folder of your choice on the PC. Then you can delete them from the camera to free up space on your device. I will say that you have to do it in that sequence. You cannot turn the camera on before you connect it to your computer, or it doesn't seem to work. At least not for me, it didn't. You have to have it connected and then turn it on and let the PC detect it. Then you have to confirm on the camera that it's okay for it to connect to the PC. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. And thank you for watching.